Hi Crypto Peeps, hope you're doing well. Today is 26th of April 2022 and a lot's happening right now in the crypto news. So let's get to it, but let's get to the price today. As we start here, I'm looking at the price here on my stream deck and it's Bitcoin's at 40,562. So up slightly from yesterday. So let's get straight to the news here, and we're straight here on the Vice website. Bored Ape Yacht Club Instagram is hacked and NFTs worth millions are stolen. This just happened over the last 24 hours. There's the NFTs there. We've all seen the Bored Ape Club ones. Very interesting. So on Monday, the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT project announced that its Instagram account had been hacked in a tweet. There is no mint going on today. It looks like the BAYC Instagram was hacked. Do not mint anything, click links, or link your wallet to anything, the group wrote. What happened is the hackers advertised a fake distribution of NFTs known as an airdrop in the Web3 world, which tricked users into clicking on a malicious link. Once people clicked on it, they gave control of their wallets to the hackers, according to CoinDesk. It said it's unclear at this point how the hackers compromised the Instagram account, but many people lost loads of money. A spokesperson for Yuga Labs, the company that created Bored Ape Yacht Club, said in a statement that the hacker posted a fraudulent link to a copycat of the Bored Ape Yacht Club website, where a safe transfer from attack asked users to connect their MetaMask to the scammer's wallet in order to participate in a fake airdrop. At 9:53 a.m. ET, we were alerted our community removed all links to Instagram from our platforms and attempted to recover the hacked Instagram account. There's some more details there on that one if that one interests you and if NFTs interest you. As with all the news, the links are down below for you to get the full articles on all this. And again, we're going to go to another Bored Ape Yacht Club one here, and this is a really interesting article on Hyperbeast. And it's all about Yuga Labs, and Bored Ape Yacht Club launches its metaverse called Otherside. It goes on to say Yuga Labs, the brand behind Bored Ape Yacht Club, announced on Monday that the launch of its metaverse Otherside. The project will launch on April the 30th in partnerships with Animoca Brands. Starting on April 30th, people that completed the Know Your Customer or KYC forms and identity verification process will be able to start buying land. BAYC and Mutant Ape Yacht Club holders that did not complete the KYC will need to wait until after the auction has ended to claim their metaverse land. As we all know, we're all hearing huge amounts about how the metaverse is the future. So I expect the prices in this one to go up real fast. There's more details there if that one interests you. More details there on the Ape Yacht Club as well. As I said, the metaverse is going to skyrocket over the next 2 years. So moving here to Cointelegraph. Sustainable energy usage for Bitcoin minage grows nearly 60% in a year. And now this is going to be good news, especially for the whole industry, but especially for those of us that are really bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining companies are further adopting green energy as the global Bitcoin mining industry increases its sustainable energy mix by approximately 59% over the year. The Bitcoin Mining Council is a group of 44 Bitcoin mining companies claiming to represent 50% of the global Bitcoin network. It released a new report on Monday, April 25th, with the findings. So there's more details here on this if you want all this. The BMC estimates that its global mining industry's sustainable electricity mix for the top crypto is now 58.4%, which is a fall of 0.1% from last quarter. Perhaps more importantly, it's significant growth from the 36.8% renewables estimated in Q1 2021. So a massive increase there. More details there down below. Check out that information you need. It graphs, charts, and everything you need there if that one interests you. But overall, great development, great all round. Because one of the biggest criticisms of Bitcoin is that it takes too much energy to use it and move it. So next one here on the Evening Standard. This one's more about myself in the UK, but I think is an interesting mix for everyone all around because it shows adoption. The vast majority of the city thinks crypto will go mainstream within a decade. Almost 90% of UK financial institutions believe cryptocurrencies will reach mainstream adoption in less than a decade, a new survey has found. That makes UK businesses the most confident in the future of cryptocurrencies in Europe. Around 70% of the 250 UK companies surveyed, which included banks, hedge funds, pension fund managers and brokerage firms, said they currently trust cryptocurrency products. 67% actively recommend investing them into their clients. CEO of Bitstamp, Julian Sawyer, said, "In the last few years, cryptocurrencies have moved from the outskirts of the financial ecosystem to find themselves front and center of mainstream investing, with many of the largest trading venues in the world now catering to both retail and institutional crypto needs." Larger companies, including PayPal, Twitter, and Tesla, have sought to gain a foothold in cryptocurrencies in recent years, either by accepting them or investing in them. It suggests that it is no longer the preserve of specialist investors. Sawyer said, "Talking about survival of digital assets is firmly over. The question is now about evolution." As well as financial institutions, Bitstamp also polled more than 1,000 UK consumers, and it found more than 40% would purchase their groceries and everyday items, as well as shopping online using cryptocurrencies. But almost half of non-investors said their top reason for not investing was not knowing enough about it. So that's absolutely fantastic news. It shows huge adoption. And this is the heart of London, the financial area of Europe at the moment. Bear that in mind. It's great news for all of us that are investing in this. And it just goes to show as well, we're still ahead of the curve. You're still on the crest of the wave. So bear that in mind and keep hodling. Moving on next here to business today. This cryptocurrency, and this is a bit of a kind of shitcoin fake news kind of thing, really. But I put it in there because you can still make money with these. So this cryptocurrency zooms over 10,500% after Elon Musk buys Twitter. And do you own it? Tech billionaire Elon Musk bought the microblogging website Twitter for a whopping $44 billion last night. But his favourite cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, was not the token that most benefited from the news. A cryptocurrency token, Elon buys Twitter, which is being traded on decentralized exchanges, rallied over 10,500% in 24 hours after the news of the billionaire's takeover of the microblogging site. As per the data for CoinMarketCap, the cryptocurrency token Elon buys Twitter reached 0.00009443, and it was up 10,524% at its peak in the last 24 hours. There's some charts there to show you how much it's gone up. As I said, it's a bit of a shitcoin. It's never ever going to go anywhere, but for that very short period of time, it was very clever. Anyone that invested in it and made a 10,500% increase in their money. So well done for that. But again, it's not anything for the future. Okay, so this is on Cryptopolitan. 15 and upcoming Bitcoin bloggers you need to watch. Now, I had a look at this, and I'm already following some of the people on this list. I'm not going to go for them all here, but essentially list 15 bloggers here that are giving out information on cryptos virtually every day of the week. So if you're interested in it like I am and collecting all the news, I recommend you look through this list and see if any of these, have the similar kind of sentiments and interests and values information-wise to you. So 15 of them there, so have a look at those. And my last main piece of news here, and this is a really interesting adoption one as well, and this is called Morgan Stanley says Bitcoin is close to being a cryptocurrency, and this is from a new report from Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley has reportedly said Bitcoin has reached an important milestone in being widely used as a currency. Strike, integrating with the Blackhawk network, allows Bitcoin to enter the physical locations of shops and restaurants, which still make up 85% of US transactions. Low transaction cost and merchant adoption will likely lead to less volatility in the chosen asset over time. Morgan Stanley is one of the largest global banks in the world, and it recently stated that Bitcoin has reached an important milestone to be more widely used as a currency. The report states that Strike, a fintech payment processor for Bitcoin Lightning Network, integrating with the Blackhawk network, the largest payment processor in the world, paves the way for Bitcoin to cement itself as a medium of exchange. Morgan Stanley also said that the evolution of Bitcoin usage as a medium of payment will be fueled by the ability of consumers to choose paying with Bitcoin through Lightning in physical locations, rather than only being able to use peer-to-peer currency online. The banking giant further explained that sending small payments is more practical with Lightning than with debit cards, as the Bitcoin's second layer network can route transactions whilst charging almost no fees. Low transaction fees and open accessibility make adoption easier for merchants, which Morgan Stanley thinks will lessen the burden of volatility, as the continued acceptance of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies as a means of payment might lead to a fall in their volatility. And this is according to the report. There's a bit more details there on that one. But, I've been touting quite a lot about adoption this last few months that I've been doing the news view. And this is some key indicators here that some really big adoption is coming. Now, to end the news for this week, I'm going to add 2 videos here, but I'm not going to play the videos. I'm going to give you the links. Now, the first one here is an interview with Cathie Wood, and it's saying, and it's from Savvy Finance, and it's saying Bitcoin price will 100% be $1 million by this date. And, Cathie Wood gives the date, and she gives a reasoning behind that. Bearing in mind, she's a person very knowledgeable, very influential in the field, so have a look at that one. I guarantee you'll find it interesting. Next video I think you should definitely watch is by a online YouTube company called Crypto Banter, and the link's down below for that one as well. And it's major Bitcoin predictions from industry experts and leaders at the Bitcoin 2022 conference. Essentially, it's a really great video where the interviewer goes around talking to all the top people and some of the lesser known people about Bitcoin and about cryptocurrencies in general, and even a little bit about DeFi, and some of the comments, some of the things they're saying, some of the ways they describe the technology of blockchain and Bitcoin area. It's absolutely fantastic. I recommend that one as well. So that's 2 great videos for you to watch as well. So that's it from the news this week. I hope you enjoy that. As we said, all the links are down below for you to look at this in more detail. Thank you for supporting us. Any comments that you have, please put them down below as well. We'll try to give you whatever you need. Have a great week ahead. Take care. Namaste.